What we're gonna do is we're gonna set off the alarm here in the hallway. We're going to come into our room here. We're gonna place our sound meter at the pillow and make measurements with the door open as well as with the door closed. Then we're gonna go ahead and shut the door. With the smoke alarm activated with the door open, it was in the 90 or so range, and with the door closed, 70 to 80 range, fluctuating in there. And clearly you could hear the alarm in the room here with that door closed.